Welcome to our lesson about appearances in Photoworks. Let's begin by opening the Appearances pane. Under Select Geometry, the entire body is automatically pre-selected for us. We can clear that out with a right-click, Clear Selections. Now let's choose a filter. We can select a part, a face, surface, body, or feature. Let's select part. And let's make our selection. For material, I'm going to select steel. Let's scroll down here, and let's try cast carbon steel. Activate the preview window. The preview of our model looks fine. Let's click OK. Now let's render. Next, I'm going to select Cut Extrudes 3 and 2 from the tree, and then I'll click on Appearance. Notice both cut extrudes are already pre-selected under Selected Geometry. Steel again, this time I'll use machine steel. My preview window updates immediately. We can zoom in to see this area a little bit better. It looks fine, so let's accept the changes. Click OK and render the part again. Now let's go to the Manager tab. We'll expand the Appearances folder. Let's right-click on the Appearances folder, expand all below. This makes it easier to see. We see machine steel is applied to both our cut extrudes 2 and 3. Cast carbon steel is applied to the entire body. Let's select this face. There we go. Right-click, select Attach to Selection. Let's render again. Now we've got a third entity under machine steel. Another way to do this is to select a face, and then select Copy. Notice that the Paste button is now active. I'm going to select this face on the other side here. Control-select this face, and click Paste. Two more entities appear under machine steel. To save time, let's select Render Selection. And the rendering is complete. To see a little better how the Render Selection option works, I'm going to select this face, and then click Render Selection. Only this area gets rendered. To delete material, you can simply right-click on it in the Feature Manager tree and select Detach. And this concludes our lesson about working with appearances.